Good evening. Anything that we discuss today would be for educational purposes only. I would like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Flow. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time and provide actionable insights for educational purposes using live streaming technologies. Follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you can learn how I analyze the markets in real time to make smarter risk reward trading decisions. Our agenda for today would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, as well as we would be discussing a view for tomorrow, 25th September. We would be analyzing options open interest for 1st October weekly expiry, and we would be discussing a watch list for tomorrow. And in the end, I would be discussing how you can access digital trading flow for free for 12 months. So let's start. If we see Nifty over here, today we expired close to a monthly contract expired close to 10,800 levels. So if we see what happened today on monthly time frame, basically we have breached previous month lows today, and we have closed below those lows. What this means is that the traders who entered long above 9600 levels on this inside candle which broke to the upside, basically they have booked their profits today. If you see the overall long term picture for the Nifty, so for us short term traders, monthly contract opened below 11,464. So below 11,464, a monthly contract was under the control of sellers. And if we see the weekly time frame, we opened at around 11,504 levels. So below 11,504 levels, market was under the control of sellers on weekly time frame. And we had a situation in which we had time frame continuity to the downside, because all our time frames, daily, weekly and monthly, they all synchronized towards the downside as price was trading below all these time frames open levels. And if you see over here, today we opened at 11,011 levels, so which was also below previous day lows. So from the start itself, market was weak today, and we had time frame continuity through all our time frames. As you can see, market on monthly time frame is below 11,464. On weekly time frame, it is below 11,503. So both weekly and monthly candles are red. So today below 11,011 levels, our daily candle also turned red. That is, it was under control of sellers. So you could have traded based on simple price action techniques anytime we had a lower low on 15-minute time frame, or you could have traded through 60-minute time frame. Anytime price reached previous 60-minute lows, you could have entered and trailed based on previous 60-minute candle highs. So this is what I refer to time frame continuity, that price is trading below its monthly opening level, weekly opening level, as well as a daily opening level. And since all the time frames are synchronized, that only means that sellers are aggressively hitting the bid at the market. So our analysis for tomorrow would be above 10,805 levels, we can potentially trade towards 10,917 levels, and potentially to 11,015 levels, and a lower probability chance of trading towards 11,075 levels. And if I would be discussing options max pain, and which has shifted from 11,200 to 11,000 strike for 1st October weekly expiry. So below 10,790, we can potentially trade towards 10,730, 10,653 and 10,565 levels. So conservative traders, they can remain neutral between 10,805 to 10,790 levels. Our aggressive traders, above 10,805, they can potentially buy the market based on price action above 10,805 for potentially 11,000 levels. And if market trades below 10,790 and we have time frame continuity to the downside, in that scenario we can potentially trade below 10,790 towards 10,650 to 10,565 levels. I would be discussing our options analysis of Nifty for 1st October strike. The max pain level is 11,000. So 11,000 is the level for next expiry. If it were to expire at that level, option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses. And if we analyze India VIX, you can see that today whenever we had this cross under, market basically traded up, and whenever we had a cross over to the upside, market basically traded lower. So if you can check these levels from January 1st, here you can see whenever VIX on this chart, you can see over here, so this is the VIX chart along with Nifty chart, and here you can see that whenever the VIX has risen, market has basically traded lower, and we are currently around 23.57 on India VIX, which is still near the low, at lower levels. So we have to also track India VIX for potentially avoiding trading option writing strategies. And if we take a look at options open interest for next expiry 1st October, here you can see if we analyze the calls, we have the maximum number of calls written, almost 20 lakh calls have been written at 11,000 strike, and highest calls that are written are at 12,000 strike. And if we see over here the puts, the maximum amount of puts that have been written are at 11,000 strike, and if you observe, market is trading below 11,000 levels, so these put writers, they are already underwater right now, and they would be seeing red mark to markets in their portfolios of option writing. So if we see overall, we can conclude that for the near term we are currently in a range of 11,000 levels to 10,800 levels for the near term. And we would be finally discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow. Today I was able to find only two stocks which meet our criteria, which formed an inside candlestick. Those two stocks are Naukri and second stock is Zeal. So we'll start with Naukri. If you see on monthly time frame, Naukri is under the control of buyers as it is trading above 3295, and on weekly time frame basically we have breached previous week low and it is under control of sellers below 3475, and on daily time frame it is an inside candlestick. So below 3330 levels we can potentially trade towards the monthly opens, which is 3295 levels, and below 3330 we can potentially trade toward 3295 levels and potentially 3275 levels on Naukri. And since it's an inside candlestick above 3450, we can potentially trade towards 3480, 3500 and potentially 3550 levels. And if we see Zeal on monthly time frame, it is under control of sellers below 205. On weekly time frame it is again under control of sellers below 221, and on daily time frame we had an inside candlestick. So above 196 we can potentially trade towards 205 levels to 212 levels on the upside, whereas on the downside below 182 levels we can potentially trade towards 177 to 172.5 levels on Z Entertainment. And in the end, I would like to discuss about how you can access digital trading floor for free for 12 months. All you have to do is visit www.digitaltradingfloor.org and it would take you to our website. You just have to click on pricing. After you click on pricing, you will see two windows. One would be telling you about what is digital trading floor, and other would be giving you option to subscribe to it for 12 months for free. All you have to do is click on this link, which is 12 month free subscription of Samco. It would take you to my franchisee referral link for Samco, as I am its authorized business partner. All you have to do is register your account, enter your name, email, mobile number, and register and open an account. And after opening an account, you would be able to access digital trading floor for free for 12 months. And I would like to inform you that Digital Trading Floor is a platform where we broadcast our live trading from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So if you we broadcast our trading on YouTube for public from 9:15 to 10 a.m. and from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. as a customer of Samco by opening account through my franchisee link, you would be able to view the private live stream of my trading from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m., which is not streamed for general public. So, and other benefits of opening account with Samco is that you would be able to access leverage for option writing, and you would be able to get approximately 10 times leverage for option selling, which is exceptional for a day trader. And if you trade through the stock note app of Samco, you would be getting 100% brokerage cashback for 1 month on actively trading the account. So I would like to thank you all for watching this video, and in the near future I would be making a video discussing multiple time frames of yearly charts, quarterly charts, monthly and weekly charts on Nifty, as a new quarter is about to open in October. So please like this video, share, subscribe and like. Thank you.